Good morning, beautiful Bakersfield. The sunshine is out today, and I'm cleaning a carpet for a real estate agent. This is about my fourth job I've done for him. He found us on Google, and he left the keys at this property in a secured location. And so now I am in the process of cleaning this carpet. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like. I have everything already set up. And we've already cleaned a few rooms. Somebody spilled some bleach on the carpet. We could repair this by cutting these bleach spots out and putting in a new piece of carpet. So we'd probably just cut it straight across here and add another piece in this area, and you probably wouldn't hardly be able to notice it. So over here in this room, I noticed where they had a, I don't know, this looked like possibly an iron. That's a burn spot. It's very crusty, so something hot was laid on this carpet because this is a polyester blend and it just melted and turned hard. So that's a burn. So we've kind of started cleaning this room and I stopped. I just wanted to show you what we're doing. So I got everything set up and we're in the process of cleaning. My machine is on, everything. So we have came over here and I've already cleaned this room right here. This room has been done. It's not a lot of light, and we do have some shadows coming from the up above from the light cover, but it looks like a stain in the carpet, but actually it's from the light. It's a shadow. You can see it kind of moving back and forth as the ceiling fan is spinning around. So then we go down here in the hallway. So we've already gotten this, cleaned this room up. Came out great. Carpet wasn't too bad. This room came out really good too. I got the ceiling fan on. It's looking really nice. So when I first came in, I brought my hose in from the garage. Got my machine outside, everything's set up. I came in the garage and I cleaned this bedroom first, then I cleaned this one, and then I cleaned this office over here. And the reason why I did it like that is because it's easier for me to handle my hoses coming in than trying to clean coming out and then moving all these hoses and pulling them back out the door. So it'll be really easy going out. So this carpet is not too bad, doesn't have a lot of wear. So I'm going to get it all cleaned up for him, and I'll meet him later on today. I think he went out of town and then he'll be able to pay me, but he trusted me. Left the keys in a secured location, and I came over here about 8 o'clock, and it's about 9:30 right now, so I've been here about an hour and a half, and the carpet should dry up in about 1 to 2 hours because I turned the heater on when I came in. One of the things during the winter hours, you can always ask your clients to adjust the thermostat on the wall setting about 5 to 10 degrees warmer than the wall setting, so that once the technician arrives and he starts cleaning the carpet, the moisture will begin to immediately evaporate because the room temperature is warmer than the wall setting. So that way it's warm and it'll evaporate very fast. That's one of our processes as to how we can get this carpet dried up in about 1 hour. So it's going to be coming out really nice. And I want to say thank you for watching. Please like us, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.